Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Today, we are doing some vertical links here on my Mustang from Whiteline Performance Suspension. I'm going to go through step by step how to do it, what tools and all that. And then hopefully if you like them, you'll pick them up. I'll put a link below to where you can pick them up. And hopefully I save you some money so you can do the work yourself. So let's get to it. Lift the car up, whether it's a jack or whatever. Put it on jack stands in the back. You're going to need both rear wheels off the ground at the same time, because otherwise the sway bar will put tension on it and it'll be a bad day. We're taking off this part right here. So you're going to need an 18mm box wrench here. And then that is a 15mm socket. We're going to take this bolt out. Then the bottom one, it's threaded in the arm, so you're just going to need an 18mm socket to take this bolt out. Then we can remove the factory vertical link. Here's a comparison between the stock one and the aftermarket one. So this is the I-beam style pattern, and this thing is just a stamped piece of metal. This one is actually lighter than this one as well, and this one should flex less with the I-beam design, which is the whole point of this upgrade. Now it's as easy as taking this one out, which you should have already done. Now we're going to line this one back up and put the bolts back through. The kit comes with Loctite, so make sure you use this on the bolts. Just help it from coming loose. The factory didn't have it, but hey, it can't hurt. Will it make it harder to pull apart if you're doing some other work later? Yeah, but just go ahead and use it. So that one is out, the one I showed you. So we're gonna wiggle this sucker in. The harder part is gonna be tapping it into here. So I'm gonna grab a rubber mallet. I'm gonna tap it up here, line up the bottom hole first, and then I'm just going to slide the bolt in to hold this in its place while I line up this hole up here and then put the bolt through up here. Make sure, obviously, that this beveled piece is on the top because it fits into this hole. So you're going to need a rubber mallet, a little pry bar, and the pry bar helps to come in from the bottom here, and just to get this bolt in this hole lined up. And then you're going to tap that in, then tap this one like I said, get the nut started. For the vertical link, the torque specification is 81 foot-pounds for the top, 129 foot-pounds for the bottom. Now once you have it torqued, that's really all there is to it. Pretty simple install, pretty quick. Put your wheel back on, and you're done. Now it would be nice to check your alignment, because there could be some variation or something like that. That could throw your alignment off. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to take mine in and just have them check it. But in the next video, I'm doing the toe link to the Whiteline toe link, which is much stronger, so it shouldn't flex at all. And you have to get in alignment when you do this toe link down here. I'm using a new camera if you can't tell. Hopefully you can tell that it's a better quality camera. Comment down below if you think it's nice, good, better. I also have a light, so I can make it brighter or whatever, depending on how dark it is wherever I'm working. So, even as a strobe, which is pointless for me, but so yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.